Hello, today I will be showing you how to create a gang sheet using our website oreletprint.com. So if you type in here, it'll go to oreletprint.com. Once you're into this website, you will select here where it says DTF Transfer Gang Sheets. We also do offer UV ultraviolet stickers, which is more like you can use on any type of hard surface. But today I'm going to show you how to do DTF Transfer Gang Sheets, or how to set up a gang sheet to use for either or. So you scroll down, as you can see, we have gang sheets from 22 by 12 up to 22 by 180, and it starts with $5 and it goes up to $80. On our website, you are only allowed to create a gang sheet up to 120. So if you do need like a sheet for 22 by 180, you would have to do two separate sheets using our website, 22 by 120 and then a 22 by 60, which is, if you scroll up, it is here. Today I'm going to show you how to just create a small gang sheet. We can do a 22 by 36. If you select your gang sheet here, you will see that here next to the image it says build your custom 22 by 36 DTF gang sheet. So once you select build your custom 22 by 36 gang sheet, it'll redirect you to a new page. Here you do have the option to view your video. If it is your first time using our software, we do recommend and suggest to watch it. It's like a 3 to 4 minute brief video. Once you're done viewing that, you can just exit that out. You will go ahead and upload your images or files through here. So you will select the upload files, and then you would go to your downloads, one over here. On my downloads, it'll be on Canva. So you would select any image, and then you would just upload. You can do that multiple images. So once you have uploaded your images here to the side, once they have fully processed, you can just select the image itself and it'll add on to the gang sheet. Here, as you can see, this design is measuring out 19 by 0.772. You also have your dimensions here. We do suggest to drag and stretch out up and down, only because it's easier to get a precise size versus you change your dimension here. If you do change your dimension here, it is possible that it can also change in the sizing. So once you have dragged it down to a certain size that you need, you would just go ahead and adjust it right along the lines. And if you do want to use that size, I use a 12.7 by 5, and then I want to go ahead and duplicate this image, so it'll duplicate same size. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this image 3 times, and then I'll just go ahead and add my other image. So once I've added this one is way too big. It's coming out to be 13 by 14. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch this out a little smaller. Average size on a shirt, it's about 10 by 8. And so we're gonna go ahead and do this one at a 10 by 8. So I'm okay with this size. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this image as well. And you can also rotate the image if it is easier, giving you more space to play with your gang sheet. So once that is uploaded, go on to your next image. This one will make this one bigger. If it is showing you a red little triangle with an exclamation point, you can just select it and it'll tell you that the resolution on the image is very low, so it could come out blurry. The way to avoid this, you would just have to zoom in on your image on your gang sheet. So once you zoom in on your gang sheet, if you see that it is pixelated, you have the chance of it being blurry. But if you don't see any pixels in your image, you'll be okay. We shouldn't have any issues of your image being blurry or anything. So once that is confirmed, you'll select the size that you want for your image. I'm gonna do a 8x6, and I'm gonna duplicate this image around 4 times. So if you do need it 4 times, or you don't want to just keep select and duplicate, you can select autofill. Here you will select 3 since you already have one, so it'll duplicate that image 3 more times. As you can see, it has overlapped on one of our images, so you would just drag it and drop it. Drag and drop. So here you can just rotate to make this image fit a little bit more. As you can see, it is overlapping your other image, but you do have that space, so you can actually add both designs on there. So once that is dropped on there, you will just, actually it does not fit that way, so we will just adjust it this way. So once you have selected your images and arrange them however you are more comfortable with, you can go ahead and add one other design here. So once that is placed, you can go to your graphics and you can add one more design. This design is way too big, so once again we will resize it. You can do a 9x5, and so that will fill up my whole entire gang sheet. Another advantage that we have on this web designing tool, you can add your text on here. You will select the tab where it says text under the graphics, add new text, and we have a couple of different fonts that you can choose from. If you want any words or anything, you can just type that in, and that will be another design for your gang sheet. If you don't need anything, so you can just remove that. Once your gang sheet is already completed, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, you will proceed to despite the errors. You will still confirm designs with your errors. This is your design. If you do need to add a new sheet, like for instance, if you needed to do the gang sheet for 180 and you need to add your 22x60 sheet, you can just add your new design here. If you don't, you would just confirm your designs. You'll type in your information. Okay. If you need to add any notes that we should be aware about, like, hey, I need this image reviewed, verified. If you need to add any notes saying that you need this order for a certain day, you can also add all of those notes and that information in this little box here. Once you have completed that, you'll just confirm your design, select the required box, and then that'll redirect you to this page. Once you are on this page, you have the option to redirect now, or you can wait the 23 seconds. Once it's redirected, this is your cart. Once you are in your cart, you would just check out. You have the option to check out by card, Shop Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, GPay. We're gonna select checkout, and here you have the option. Again, you can also pay through Venmo, Google Pay. You would select your payment, and then if you want to do shipping, you would select shipping, or if you're picking up locally, you would select pickup. Phone number. Here you would type in your information, your card information, and then once you are done, you would select pay now. Once you selected pay now, you are done with the process. If you have any questions or anything, you can just send us an email through our email that's on our website, or you can give us a phone call as well. We hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you. Have a good one.